So welcome to the next clip. In this clip, we are going to look at, or we are going to open a Excel data sheet into SPSS software, right? So pretty much you will be having a data in Excel. So probably all of you are entering your data in Excel sheet. But for the analysis, you need to transfer your data into SPSS software. So for that, you need to follow few little steps for the transfer. So let's say this is an import of data from Excel into SPSS, right? So here I have a sample data sheet which is entered, which is in Excel sheet. You could see there is the ID number 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise there, and the gender male, male, female, female, male, male, female, likewise it's going on, right? So here the date of birth, job category, salary, job time, previous experience, and minorities. Likewise, all the informations are entered. Here you could see nearly 475 subject informations are available, right? 475 subject informations, right? This samples data is obtained from internet, so this is not my own data. For your clarity, I have downloaded this. So let's assume you need to transfer this data into SPSS for the analysis. So now I'm going to open this data sheet in SPSS. So first of all, you need to open the SPSS software, and in the SPSS software you need to go to file option, open data, right? Where file, open data. So here there is a window is appearing. In this window there is nothing there is nothing that compatible with SPSS, so you are not able to see any file that can be opened in SPSS, right? So even I don't have a SPSS file in this folder. So I'm going to downloads, okay. So here you need to change the file type, right? File type you need to change into Excel. What? You need to change this file type into Excel. So now you can see all the Excel file will be visible inside this window, right? So here I can see this is my sample data sheet which I have here, right? Which I have here. So now I'm going to open this entire data into this SPSS sheet by selecting and giving the command open, right? Just selecting and giving the command open. But all before that, make sure that you have closed this Excel data sheet. It's not remain open, right? So you just simply select here and select open. So when you press open, this window will be appear. In this window you can see read variable names from the first row of data, right? So I have selected this, and I'll be opening the same data without selecting this as well, right? Okay, let's open this data without selecting this option, right? So I'm giving command OK. Here you could see that all the data are imported. It's appearing here 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise the subject ID and the gender. But unfortunately, you could see this ID, these are tags, right? These are variables: ID, gender, birth date, job category, salary. These are variables, so this should be appear here, this should come here, right? So this first row should be shifted as variables, right? So these are not datas. So for that, to avoid that, you need to open the file by open data, change this option into Excel, select the sample Excel sheet here and press open and check this, right? Check this. So you can see the mark. I have checked this. Now I'm opening this, right? Okay. Now you could see the variable appear as ID, gender, birth date, job category. Likewise, the information, the data sheet is imported into this SPSS. Okay. So now you have completely imported a complete data sheet from Excel sheet. But in some instances, you may need only 10 or very few information from that data sheet, not all the data sheet that you need, right? The information that's available in the data sheet are not necessary for your research analysis. Only you need a particular 10 subjects or 20 subjects information, and there are 2 to 3 variable information is sufficient for you. So for that instances, you need to open the data sheet and need to delete every other information that what is not necessary for you, or you just need to deselect all the informations, right? So that will make it a little messy and you will have too much of work, and you can simplify that from here. You can open the data by giving a range. Just you need from this cell to this cell. Likewise, you can select specific area from the Excel data sheet to open in the SPSS sheet, not the entire SPSS worksheet, right? So let me show you this. Right, so this is the entire data sheet. Only I need this information, right? So this much of information that I need to open into SPSS. So for that, I don't need to open the entire worksheet. Only I need from here A1 to E10. Here this cell E10, from here to here E10, right? So this is how you mark in Excel, right? From A1 to E. You can see there is a small mark appearing here. So this cell is the last count. This is the first count, right? From A1 to E10. So A1 to E10. I need to close this. Here I need to type A1 to E10. See the way I have typed A1 to E10, right? Okay, now you could see that only the first information, informations are appear. Only the selected informations will be appearing in this SPSS data sheet from the Excel sheet. So this is how you open a Excel data sheet into SPSS data sheet, right? Thank you.